Hello, prep families, and welcome to another school year. It's already that time. I'm Mrs. Richardson, and I'm your school principal. Some of you may have known me from being the assistant principal, but I am more than thrilled to become your school principal. This year, we are looking forward to so many new things. I cannot wait to work with you and our students this coming school year, along with our new assistant principal, Miss Snooty, and our returning assistant principal, Miss Williams. As your school administrative team, we are committed to making sure that we provide a safe, trusting environment full of joy where students are able to come every day to learn brand new things. We want to make sure that you feel welcome. We want to make sure that you are partnering with us this school year. So right now, thank you. Thank you so much for trusting us with your most precious gift. One thing I want you to remember is that trust starts with me. We look forward to seeing you in your new school year.